The journey to Mars is closer than ever, thanks to groundbreaking space technologies. Welcome to Top 10 Future Space Technologies that will take us to Mars. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more space exploration updates. Let's dive in. Humanity has always dreamed of exploring the stars, and Mars stands as the next great frontier. The journey to the red planet presents immense challenges: radiation exposure, long-duration space travel, and the need for sustainable life support systems. But thanks to revolutionary space technologies, what once seemed like science fiction is becoming a reality. As private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin push the boundaries of interplanetary travel, alongside government agencies like NASA and ESA, new advancements are shaping the future of space exploration. Here are the 10 most groundbreaking technologies that will enable us to reach and colonize Mars. 10. SpaceX Starship, the ultimate Mars transport system. SpaceX's Starship is set to become the backbone of interplanetary travel. Designed as a fully reusable spacecraft, it is capable of carrying over 100 passengers to Mars in a single trip. With its powerful Raptor engines, Starship can perform vertical landings on Mars and Earth, eliminating the need for expensive disposable rockets. The spacecraft's stainless steel structure provides enhanced heat resistance, making it suitable for atmospheric re-entry. 9. Nuclear thermal propulsion, cutting travel time in half. One of the biggest obstacles in reaching Mars is the sheer distance, over 140 million miles away. Traditional chemical rockets take around 7 months to get there, but nuclear thermal propulsion, NTP, could reduce that travel time to just 3 months. This technology uses a nuclear reactor to heat liquid hydrogen, creating an extremely efficient thrust. NASA and DARPD-8 are currently developing an NTP engine called Draco, which could significantly increase the speed of Mars missions while reducing astronauts' exposure to cosmic radiation. 8. Artificial gravity habitats, keeping astronauts healthy. Spending months in microgravity weakens bones and muscles, making it harder for astronauts to function once they land on Mars. One solution is artificial gravity habitats, which use centrifugal force to simulate gravity. Concepts like the Gateway Space Station's rotating habitat or a Mars gravity train could provide artificial gravity to keep astronauts healthy during the journey. Japan's Kyoto University is even working on a lunar and Martian habitation system that generates Earth-like gravity using rotational forces. 7. 3D printed Mars bases, building homes with Martian soil. Transporting construction materials to Mars would be extremely costly, so scientists are developing ways to 3D print habitats using Martian soil. NASA's Mars Habitat Challenge has encouraged companies to create structures using regolith, Mars dust, mixed with polymers. These 3D printed bases could be constructed autonomously by robotic builders before astronauts arrive, ensuring that safe shelters are ready for human habitation. 6. AI-powered robotic assistants, the future workforce on Mars. Before humans arrive on Mars, robotic explorers will pave the way. AI-powered robots, like NASA's Perseverance rover, are already testing autonomous navigation and sample collection. Future robotic assistants, such as Boston Dynamics humanoid robots, could build infrastructure, set up solar panels, and mine resources. These robots will work alongside astronauts, reducing human labor and increasing safety on Mars. 5. Space-based nuclear reactors, reliable energy for Mars colonies. Solar panels alone won't be enough to power a colony on Mars, especially during dust storms that can block sunlight for weeks. That's why space agencies are developing small, portable nuclear reactors that can provide a constant energy supply. NASA's Kilopower project has successfully tested a fission reactor that can operate in space, generating up to 10 kilowatts of power, enough to sustain a small Mars base. These reactors will be essential for supporting habitats, water purification, and oxygen production. 4. Oxygen production from Mars' atmosphere, the MOXIE experiment. Oxygen is crucial for human survival and rocket fuel production. Carrying enough oxygen from Earth is impractical, So scientists are working on in situ resource utilization, ISRU, to extract oxygen from Mars' atmosphere. NASA's MOXIE, Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, aboard the Perseverance rover, has successfully produced oxygen from carbon dioxide. Future large-scale versions of MOXIE will generate breathable air and liquid oxygen for rocket propellant, making return trips from Mars feasible. 3. Water extraction technologies, turning ice into drinking water. Mars has large underground reserves of frozen water, but extracting and purifying it is a major challenge. NASA's Resolve, Regolith and Environment Science in Oxygen, and Lunar Volatile Extraction, is testing ways to extract water from Martian soil. SpaceX also plans to drill for subsurface ice using autonomous drilling rigs. This water will not only support drinking needs, but will also be used to produce hydrogen fuel and breathable oxygen. 2. Cryogenic sleep chambers, hibernation for space travel. Long-duration space travel poses risks like muscle loss, radiation exposure, and psychological stress. One of the most innovative solutions is cryogenic hibernation, putting astronauts into a deep sleep during the journey. NASA and ESA are developing torpor chambers that lower body temperature and metabolic rate, reducing the need for food, oxygen, and space. This would significantly cut down spacecraft size and resource consumption, making Mars missions more sustainable. 1. Terraforming technologies, the ultimate plan for a habitable Mars. The most ambitious technology of all is terraforming, modifying Mars' environment to make it more Earth-like. Currently, Mars has a thin atmosphere and freezing temperatures, making human survival difficult. Scientists are exploring ways to release CO2 from Mars' polar ice caps to thicken the atmosphere and warm the planet. Another concept involves magnetic shields, which could protect Mars from solar radiation and prevent atmospheric loss. While full-scale terraforming is still far in the future, small-scale atmospheric modifications could make settlements more viable. The future of Mars exploration. The journey to Mars is no longer a distant dream. It's an approaching reality. With technologies like Starship, AI robotics, nuclear propulsion, and oxygen extraction, the first humans could set foot on Mars within the next 10 to 20 years. Establishing a permanent colony will require further advancements, but these innovations are laying the foundation for humanity's next great leap into the cosmos. As space agencies and private companies continue pushing the limits, one thing is certain: the future of Mars exploration is closer than ever. Will you be among the first to witness the dawn of a new era in space travel? What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.